lines, and we're super excited to have the new G80 here at the shop. Apart from the rather interesting front grille setup, the G80 is an amazing platform, offering more power, more performance than the outgoing F80 cars, but they suffer from the same problem that the F80s do. They just really don't sound good from factory. They've got 4 sets of cats, 2 resonators, and the valved rear section from factory. What we decided to do was incorporate an equal length single mid-pipe for these cars to give a great kind of B58 2JZ sound that really pleasurable throughout the entire rev range, and to provide more performance throughout all rev ranges as well. So take a listen to the next couple sound clips. We're very excited to be the first people out there to develop a system for the G80s. We know that people are super excited about these cars. People are going to fix the front ends, and we're going to fix the sound. So take a listen and let us know what you think.